My name is Casey Stubbs, and I'm doing a response video to Biaheza because I love what you're doing, and I think you're impacting a lot of people. You're having a lot of good success, and I want to help you get to the next level in your trading. After watching your trade signal video, I think I could give you a few tips that could really take you to the next level. So please watch this video, and you're going to learn some things, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you can apply this and really take your channel to help a lot of people and go to the next level. I want him to watch this video because I have some really good insight on his cool video that he made about following a stock guru. So you might be wondering why you should listen to me. Well, I have 30 years of experience trading, and that has taught me a lot, and I want to share that with people. And so I'm assuming that I probably was trading before you were even born. So I think that some of that wisdom could carry over, and you could really learn a lot from what I have to say. So here we go. And I love this guy's channel, and so I think he's a mover and a shaker. He works hard. He makes things happen, but I think he's missing something on his stock trading videos, and I really wanted to help him out. So if he's interested, Biaheza, if you're listening and you're interested, I can give you a couple tips here, and I think it will help you go a long ways in the stock trading stuff. Because there's really a lot of potential here, and I can see you going after it, but there's a few little tweaks you could make, and you could really see some great results. So let's go ahead and just jump in and get started. I'm gonna put my headphones and just start watching your video.
Amount of time on YouTube, specifically the business and finance side of YouTube, you've probably seen ads playing before videos you're watching, pitching you some sort of stock trading course or service.
This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, you're gonna be able to go out and buy a Lamborghini.
But the more interesting service I've heard about before is stock trading signals. These are groups in which the organizer apparently has a lot of trading experience and will actually tell you in real time when you should buy and sell stocks to earn money every single day. And I mean, if someone is truly a profitable day trader and claims to make all of their money day trading, their stock trading signals should reflect that.
It sounds like a get-rich-quick scheme.
Yes, thank you. You will get rich quick. We all will.
And I don't have to.
Okay, so great content so far. It's really good. So the first thing I just want to comment is, you know, the theory of, okay, if these stock gurus are so smart, you should be able to just follow them. And that is true to some extent, okay? And it is definitely possible if they are really solid with their service and their calls, which I know of some that are, and I'll show you a couple things. But even with that, I still think it's critical that you understand the fundamentals of trading, okay? The fundamentals of how the market works, what's happening behind the moves, and people might be saying, well, I don't want to learn all that. But the thing is, also, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? And it's not even get-rich-quick. It is get-rich slowly, okay? The key here for success long-term is consistency and compounding. If you do those two things, consistently make profitable trades, and then compounding, slowly scale up your size, you will be able to generate millions of dollars trading. Okay? Very true statement.
That is why you fail.
However, you really need the fundamentals. If you think about it, 95% of day traders fail. Okay, so if 95% of day traders fail, how many of them do you think are trying to buy signals and figure it out? Right? The ones that are truly successful are the ones that are diving into the learning and they're understanding what's happening behind the market. And you also have to understand that mindset plays a big part of this. You have to be disciplined to follow your rules. And basically on your videos, it looks like you're doing a good job of maintaining your losses well. And it looks like you're well on your way to that. You're just not getting the consistency on the solid signals, which I think a few little tips and a deeper understanding of how the markets work will really help you.
To be the one to tell you that there's absolutely no shortage of people online saying that they make a living day trading stocks. Intro out of the way, let's dive right in and find some of these day trading groups. Right off the bat, I want to try to find one on Fiverr. That'd be fun. Then I want to try one called Spartan Trading. They have some clout on Twitter and I've heard good things, so we'll do that one. And then for the other ones, I don't really know which ones to test out, so I'll actually put up a story on Instagram asking you guys which signal service I should try out. So let's do that. And it's currently Monday. I should be in all of the signal services, I'm hoping, by the end of tomorrow. And on Wednesday, we'll start testing them out. I'm going to be using my Robinhood account that we've been messing around with for a few videos now, trying to take it to a milli. It's currently at almost 100K. I'll probably use around 10,000 of that for this video to test the signals out. So we actually got some decent cheese on the line. It's going to be hype, no house. So I'm going to see what groups you guys want me to join, and I'll bang your line in a couple of days to let you know which ones we're going with.
Be ready, all right?
Good morning to Kanye.
Hey, good morning, Kanye.
And to the beloved people who have subscribed to this channel. It's currently 4 a.m. on a Wednesday. We are officially now going to be following 5 different signal services. Let me break it down here. First off, we have the Fiverr one. I just searched stock option signals and found one that had ratings. I don't want to actually reveal the specific listing though, because I think someone from Fiverr watches my videos, since they have reached out to me before about potential collaborations, and I could be wrong, but the Fiverr Forex signals I used in a previous video, that listing got removed. So I don't want to mess up someone's hustle here, but I paid $40 for a month of those signals. Also, the guy or gal watching this video who works for Fiverr, hope you're having a nice day and doing well in these trying times. Moving on though, we have the Spartan Trading signals coming in at a whopping $195 per month. That's kind of steep. With a price like that, I can't help but have very high expectations. Now on to the signals you guys suggested. I had a lot of people reply to my story and request that I try Aristotle signals. Love that name. Sounds like we're gonna get some stock option signals passed down straight from the bourgeoisie for $125 per month. Next up, a lot of people really hyped up Kevin.trades on Instagram.
Okay, I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. You try out all the signals. I just want to see what your end result. I love your good editing skills. Videos are really entertaining. I love how you put the calendar up with how much money you made. That's really cool. So keep up the good work. Really, seriously, this is great entertainment. And I want to help you take the entertainment to some high-level education so people can really get the hang of this. So I want to show you a couple things from my service here, and it's not I'm not really trying to be promotional. I mean, obviously this could help me, but really I want to see you succeed, because that's why I call the name of my service Dream Trades, is because I want people to accomplish their dreams. But check it out. This is an app that I have, okay, and I'm gonna just close this YouTube video here and show you my app, okay. And that's my account. I'll show you some of that in a minute. Let's take a look at this app. It's Dream Trades. It goes on the phone and also on your desktop, so you can access it anywhere. And it has 2 sets of signals, running with the bulls and sleeping with the bears. And so it just runs these every once in a while. And one of the setups that I got from yesterday, it'll update here, was Monster. Okay, so Monster comes up, and then what we do is we pull up a chart. Okay, and I'll pull up a chart for you here. It's loading. And so we go up here, and the stock was MNSTR, Monster. I don't know if you're like me, but I love Monster. Great drink. So what I look for is for stocks that are in an uptrend. Okay, and you can see I took an entry here on Monster yesterday at $83, okay? And you can buy options, or you can trade this with shares. I do both, and the way I do it is I do a bulk of my account with shares because it's a little less risk, and a smaller amount of my account for options because options are a little high risk, but you can make more money. So just to be really clear, I could have an account, let's say your account is 100,000, and I could spend 10,000 just on options trades, and those are higher risk, but you could generate probably close to the same amount if you use 10,000 for options and 90,000 for stock trades, just buying the shares. So you need a lot more money to make money with shares, but it's a little bit safer. So for beginners, I always recommend start trading shares first until you really get an understanding of how the market moves. And then once you're consistently successful for a long period of time, 6 months, then start testing with a small dollar amount on your options trades, and you can generate the same amount. And it's cool to take 2 sets of trades, take option trades and take share trades. You'll start to see an increase in your account. So just a quick review here is I go and I look for uptrends, right? And so what's the definition of an uptrend? Higher highs, higher high, higher high, higher high, and lower lows. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Then I look for the price to break down into a level, and then I look for it to shoot up. And I run a scanner, and that's what Dream Trades is it just scans for these trades. Plus I coach people every day on how to get in and out of these trades, just like I'm doing you right now. So you get in, and then you place your stop loss. I usually put it below here, or depending on how big it is, maybe below here. I try to keep my losses at about 10%. So if I'm investing, a $10,000 trade, I would cut my risk around $1,000, right? And my goal for target is anywhere from 10 to 20%. So I'm trying to make $1,000 to $2,000 on every trade. Okay, so that's pretty much how the risk would work. And so I just try to find trades like that, knowing that they will move up. Like if I would have bought it here when this popped up, you see that? It would have been a nice trade, right? And so I keep doing that over and over again, and it really works extremely well. And I can actually show you some of my account stats here, since I wanted to share you. So you can see just my P&L. You can see it just growing, even since July, up from 15,000 to 34. And you can see here's my daily profit. Look at my P&L compared to the Dow Jones. 57% higher than the Dow Jones. If I compare it to the S&P, it's 64% higher. So pretty good returns. If we just look here at the account performance year to date, 63% so far. My annual average return is 175%. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a look at a couple trades that I had made recently. So one of those was Etsy. Let's pull up the Etsy chart, and T-Mobile. Actually, I can pull up some of my trades I'm actually already in. That'll be even better. So so right now I'm in this VUZI. Okay, I've got in at 475. You see it's a nice uptrend. I got in down here as it broke, and then see this green bullish candle. Okay, this is when I get in, and then the price now, it's up about 15% ROI. Netflix is one that I'm currently in. Okay, I got in this position at 501. And it's currently trading at $539. I have my target at $560. I've already got in $18 of profit per share locked in, so that's a pretty nice setup. Another trade here is Microsoft. I'm sure you're familiar with that. Again, what are you noticing? You're seeing an uptrend, okay, and then a pullback, and then price broke out right here, okay, and I got in on this breakout. Already got $2 locked in. The price is trading at $221. I got my target up here at $230. So I can't lose money on this trade. T-Mobile, same thing. A nice uptrend. Looking for this trade to go. And you'll notice that it's 115. I got locked in. I got in at 114. Cannot lose this trade. S&P 500. I love trading the SPY. Again, look what happens. Very strong uptrend. Down move. Price is breaking back up, and you can see I've got $1 locked in. I cannot lose this trade. It's currently in profit. I got in at 38. It's 52. So I'm currently trading about $14 in profit on this trade. So Salesforce got in, uptrend. Price broke down, moving back up. I'm currently up $7. I've got the price locked in just a few cents. If it goes higher today, I'll lock in a little bit more. And so that's what we're looking at here. I got into Jumia yesterday. This is a fresh trade. It's an up spike. It's not really the kind of trend that I like, but I thought, you know what? If this spiked up once, it could spike up again. So really interested in that. Biaheza, thank you for your attention today. I hope I piqued your interest. I would love to help you out. What I would actually like to do is to give you a complimentary access and complimentary training with me to really give you a foundation to help you learn how to make some good money on these stock signals. All right, well, that's it for this video. Keep up the good work, man. I really appreciate what you're doing.